It's me, your girl here again, Mrs. Sherifatu Bakare Joe. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, I just want to say thank you very much for subscribing and for watching my videos. And to those that have shared my videos, I say thank you very much. If you're new here and you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make wheat bran bread. Come with me. Let's get baking. Here are the ingredients you will need to make your wheat bran bread. Here I have 125 grams of wheat bran, is like a shaft of a wheat. And here I have 375 grams of flour, 16 grams of fresh yeast, 15 grams of butter, 8 grams of salt, and 290 grams of water. So guys, now we're going to mix our dough. We're going to add our yeast. First 2 minutes on a low speed and 7 minutes on a high speed. So guys, our dough is ready. Wow, looks good. Yeah, I'm making a small quantity today, so if you want more, you can double your recipe. Now we're going to leave this dough to rise for 40 minutes. You just cover with your plastic. Okay guys, our bread is rising. Wow, see how soft it is. Now we're just going to take us some hair from this bread and then we will shape our bread. I'm going to put in an already greased pan with some butter. So now we're going to leave this to rise 50 to 60 minutes. In the meantime, you preheat your oven 220 degrees. Okay guys, our bread is fully risen, as you can see, wobbling. Yeah, we're going to bake this bread 40 to 45 minutes. But we're going to steam our oven before we put the bread, and you steam your oven when the bread is in. Check my other videos, you'll see how I steam my oven. Very simple and easy. Alright guys, our bread is ready. Look how beautiful this is. So we'll leave this to cool off completely and then we'll come back to munch. Alright guys, our bread is cooled off, so now we're going to slice. Wow, can you hear the crust? Wow, just take a look at this guys. This is a very healthy and nice bread. Whoa. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to share this video as well for other people to watch. If you're new here and you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification button because I make videos every Friday. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.